scientists discovered that a bottle opener, an everyday tool, can explosively accelerate to speeds of up to 45 kilometers per second, making it one of the fastest objects on Earth when opened. This phenomenon occurs when a bottle opener is used to break the seal on a bottle. The sudden release of energy creates a shockwave that can accelerate the opener to incredible speeds. Imagine a grain of sand containing an entire library, and that's roughly the energy released when a bottle opener is used to break a seal. But that's not the strangest part, as researchers have found that the speed of the opener is directly proportional to the pressure inside the bottle. In other words, the more pressure inside the bottle, the faster the opener will accelerate. For example, if a bottle contains a high-pressure gas, the opener can reach speeds of up to 45 kilometers per second. Wait until you hear what comes next, as scientists have discovered that the opener can also create a sonic boom when it breaks the seal. This sonic boom can be loud enough to be heard from a distance, making it a fascinating phenomenon to study. It's like a mini rocket launching into space, but instead of going into orbit, it's just opening a bottle of soda. The speed of the opener is so great that it can even create a small shockwave that can be felt by people nearby. And then something unexpected happened when researchers decided to measure the speed of the opener using high-speed cameras. They found that the opener was accelerating at a rate of up to 100 meters per second squared, making it one of the fastest accelerating objects on Earth. But what does this mean for everyday life? And why should we care about the speed of a bottle opener? Well, it turns out that the speed of the opener has implications for the design of safety valves and pressure relief systems. For centuries, scientists have been studying the behavior of pressure and flow, and the bottle opener is just one example of how complex phenomena can be simplified and understood. The speed of the opener is also related to the concept of impulse, which is the product of force and time. When the opener breaks the seal, it creates a sudden impulse that accelerates the opener to incredible speeds. And then there's the issue of energy transfer, as the opener takes the energy from the bottle and converts it into kinetic energy. This energy transfer is a fundamental concept in physics, and the bottle opener is just one example of how it can be applied in real-world situations. But what about the implications for industry and manufacturing? The design of safety simulations to model the valves and behavior of the pressure relief opener and design systems can be systems that can withstand the high improved using the knowledge pressures gained from involved studying the bottle opener.
For example, engineers can use computer simulations to model the behavior of the opener and design systems that can withstand the high pressures involved.
This can have a significant impact on the safety of people and equipment, as well as reducing the risk of accidents and injuries. And then there's the issue of material science, as researchers have found that the opener can accelerate to such high speeds that it can create tiny shock waves in the surrounding material. This has implications for the design of materials and structures that can withstand such stresses and strains. The study of the bottle opener has also led to a better understanding of the behavior of fluids and gases under pressure. This knowledge can be applied in a wide range of fields, from engineering to medicine. So, what can we learn from the incredible story of the bottle opener? First, we can see that even the most mundane objects can have complex and fascinating properties. Second, we can learn about the importance of safety and the need for careful design and engineering. And third, importance of want more ongoing mind research and blowy. If you found this fascinating, subscribe for more incredible stories like this. Subscribe for more incredible stories like this. Hit subscribe and join our journey of discovery. Subscribe to explore more amazing discoveries and stay up to date with the latest scientific breakthroughs.